Why us? At Relaxed Snail, we are an Oxford-based educational services company with a national reach. Our motto, Festina Lente, means speed up slowly. We aim to take time to add value to students and their university applications, making them truly eligible for places at top institutions and to thrive. Since 2021, previously under the name of Blue Dot Education, we have been growing our reputation as a true industry leader for providing superlative long-term preparation for higher education. We have developed a uniquely rigorous essay competition for Year 12 students and designed bespoke educational learning packages for UK independent schools. Relaxed Snail is a supporting member of BASIS, the British Association of Independent Schools with International Students, and has also given generously to charity, supporting students with the recent cost of living crisis. Following our rebranding, the logo represents Relaxed Snail's commitment to high quality and tailored long-term support for schools and students. For more information about our services and for contact details, please see our website on www.relaxedsnail.com.